Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today, we will take you deep into the wonderful world of digital sock printers. Do you know how your socks are printed? Let's explore the various materials that sock printers can handle as well as their unique production processes. A sock printer is a device that can print patterns on a variety of materials, including polyester, cotton, nylon, bamboo fiber, and wool. Next, we will introduce the printing processes of these materials respectively. First, let's look at the printing process for polyester socks. Using thermal sublimation ink, this technology allows the pattern to be fixed to the socks through high temperature. First, let's look at the printing process for polyester socks. Using thermal sublimation ink, this technology allows the pattern to be fixed to the socks through high temperature. After printing, the polyester socks need to be placed in an oven and heated at 180 degrees Celsius to ensure the color is bright and lasting. For cotton socks, bamboo fiber, and wool materials, the printing process is slightly different. These materials use reactive inks. First, the socks need to be pre-treated, soaked in slurry, then spun and dried. The pattern making process is the same as that for polyester. Once completed, the image is color managed through the RIP software. The color curve suitable for cotton socks is selected and then printed. After printing, the socks need to be steamed in a 102 degrees Celsius steamer, then washed to remove the floating color on the surface and fix the color. The washed socks are dried and packaged. Through today's introduction, I hope everyone has a deeper understanding of the digital sock printer and its process. This technology not only improves production efficiency but also makes sock design more diverse. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to learn more about digital printing knowledge. Goodbye.